Hi, everyone. This is David from CSR Insights and Good Matters. Thank you for joining us in conversations that improve people's lives. Our guest for today is the President and CEO of Asia CEO Awards, Rebecca Bustamante. Rebecca, welcome to the program.
Thank you, David, for inviting me once again. It's always nice to talk to you.
Rebecca, isa ka sa mga pinaka-influential and inspirational Filipinas, hindi lang dito sa bansa natin, kundi in Asia and other parts of the world. You've been given so much opportunities to lead companies, pero you chose to come back and give back. Kwento mo naman sa amin, bakit?
Very inspiring naman yung word mo, introducing me, that very inspirational woman.
Of
Parang
course!
nakaka-overwhelming yun But anyway, I look at myself na parang ako pa rin nung unang panahon na walang pagbabago. I
Mhm.
decided to come back to Philippines is to really give hopes, especially sa ating mga kababayan. Kasi of course, being a domestic helper na akala nila hanggang ganun lang tayo, na hindi pala. Kasi nag-umpisa ako na domestic helper, nag-work hard, study hard, and really changed my mindset. By changing the mindset pala, napakaganda. So if I can share that story dito sa bansa natin, napakaganda. Like
Mhm.
imagine, uwi ako parang walang maniwala na Philippines become first world. Imagine we
Oo.
were running the Asia CO Award for the last 15 years. Imagine that,
Wow.
David. Parang kailan lang, pero nakita mo ang not because of us, but more on tayong mga Pilipino at mga foreigners dito na yung paniniwala na ang Pilipinas talaga malaki ang pag-asa. Na ang mga Pilipino rin, malaki din ang pag-asa na magagaling din tayong mga tao. We're normal people. Normal in a sense with a heart,
Mhm.
with good heart talaga. Nandun yung puso natin, nandun yung malasakit natin. Of course, we are not perfect. But overall, we're not bad, 'di ba? Kaya 'yun ang nakakatuwa. That's the main reason why we came back to Philippines.
Sabi mo meron mga challenges, ano? I know punong-puno yung 15 years na yan ng challenges, pero you pressed on. Tuloy-tuloy lang. Saan galing yung ganung mentality? Paano siya na-develop? Tipong yung eyes mo laging nasa prize for the country, for yourself, and for your fellow Filipinos.
Because nandun yung vision. When you focus with the vision, kung saan ka papunta, you don't care kung anong mga nandyan. Kasi kahit anong gawin mo, marami talagang negativity dyan eh. Kasi it's already
Mhm.
in our genes, di ba? Sa cells
Yeah.
natin. But we focus more on saan tayo papunta. The vision. The vision is making Philippines first world country.
Mhm.
So, I mean, kung dire-diretso lang yan, yung paglalangoy mo, parang meron kang halimbawa, there's a big tidal wave. Tapos nalulunod ka. Siyempre
Mhm.
nalulunod ka, gumawa ka parang para ka makalangoy, para ka mag-survive, right? So yun ang aming ginagawa. That's what we're doing very basically in focusing on the development of our nation, and whatever the challenges, it's okay kasi that's how you learn more. You
Mhm.
change more for a better. Kasi kung walang nagreklamo, paano yung pagbabago? Kung lahat naniniwala sa'yo, paano tayo yung to make the Philippine first world? Kaya the more challenges na na-experience ko, namin, it's actually good. We appreciate it.
Ang
We use that
galing.
as a...
Kasi
okay ba
you
yun,
know,
di ba? That's
oo,
the way.
I've been speaking to awardees, to scientists, ano, na mahal yung mga bansa natin. Pareho kayo mag-isip. Na sa kanila, wini-welcome talaga nila yung problems and they step on it and then they rise above it. Ang Asia CEO
Yes.
Awards, full of collaboration and partnerships with different companies. Can you share with us, ano ba yung mga milestones ng Asia CEO Awards? Halimbawa for the, more than a decade that you've been in the Philippines.
Oh my God, ang ganda kasi so many organizations who join us for the very first time, right? Na
Mhm.
hanggang ngayon nandyan pa rin sila. Tapos yung isang halimbawa, Figari, nung si Darcy Lalon nag-start sa amin, he was actually the CEO of Northgate Renzo. Tapos
Mhm.
yung Northgate Renzo nabili ng another organization. So malakikita niya, maraming mga taong nabigyan ng trabaho. After that, nag-start
Mm.
siya ng Shore Solution. Tapos
Okay.
nabenta rin niya, ang dami rin niya nabigyan ng mga trabaho sa karamihan. Ngayon, nabili din. After that na naman, nag-start siya ng Synchrony Global. Yun na naman, na-develop na naman niya. Ang dami na naman yung mga taong nabigyan ng mga trabaho. Tapos nabili, na-buy out na naman. And now, pang-apat niyang business dito sa Philippines, yung Figure Solution, he's doing the same thing. On top of that, meron din siyang tourism, yung Kahuna in in La Union. Ang
Mhm.
ganda na, yung the best surfing in the Philippines, pumunta, sa kanya din yun. More on, really, it's so nice to see the development because of the faith, the belief that we have, and also the belief on that. Ang ganda. Marami ring mga circle of excellence kahit na hindi nanalo. Pero yung development ka ng kanilang mga negosyo, nagiging global na.
Mhm.
Like, it's so nice, di ba? Yung mga nanalo, they're bringing, ang nakakatuwa talaga, David, is yung mga local na product natin, local na
Aha.
services natin, ngayon nag-i-expand na, not only in Southeast
Hmm.
Asia, but in the world. So how
Wow.
can we complain about that? That they feel so thankful and proud because of the marketing and the recognition that they're receiving from the Asia CEO Awards. Kaya nakakataba ng puso.
Yeah, iba kasi, I mean, friends, for those watching and listening, kung naka-attend na kayo ng mga gino-hold ni Rebecca na events, at lalo na yung grand awarding nila sa HSC Awards, ibang klase ha, first world talaga ang approach. But at the same time, very welcome para sa lahat na gustong umattend, at gustong matuto. And maganda yung sinasabi ni Rebecca, na umuunlad yung mga businesses. At the same time, nabibigyan ng trabaho yung mas marami pang mga tao and they continue to expand. In the 15th Asia CEO Awards, marami kayong mga categories. Kung ako'y gustong sumali, halimbawa, paano ba yun? Saan ako pupuntang website, halimbawa?
Yeah. If anybody who want to submit nomination, especially ngayon, oh my God, we have 3 weeks left, right? Just go to www.asia-co-awards.org and then
Mhm.
click the nominations. Pagdating ng nominations criteria, i-click mo din yung criteria, then you just follow kung anong criteria na gusto niyo mag-submit. Tapos,
Mhm.
you just follow yung mga description doon, yung 500 words explaining why you should submit your nominations, why you deserve the awards, yung mga supporting documents. Tapos, libre to. Walang bayad. As
Libre,
is
ha? Oo.
zero. You don't
Scam-free, ika
pay
nga.
for it.
Oo. And then the judges, of course, have been with you for many years now.
Yes. Alam mo ba nakakatawa din dito or nakakataba ng puso? For example, yung belief nila Dr. Bernie Villegas nung nag-uumpisa pa lang na talaga naniniwala siya sa pagbabago ng Pilipinas, yung First World Philippines, sabi nga niya 2050, right? He really
Mhm.
claimed that. And then we followed that through him. Okay? And it's happening. Nandyan din so Don Feldman from American Chamber kasi he knows the industry, what's happening, yung mga
Mhm.
updates. Architect Palafax is dealing with so many big time na mga investors, yung mga
Yeah.
especially sa real estate, tourism. Siya ang nagde-develop ng Pilipinas, di ba? Ang ganda-ganda. And of course, Richard Mills is the chairman of the Asia CEO. Si Miss Bing,
Mhm.
Lam Choco ng Franchise Association kasi alam niya yung mga entrepreneurship, SME, alam niya kung sino mga talagang pagbabago, yung mga innovation, alam niya yan. Of course, nandyan din si Miss Darlene Berberabi, siya ang president na ngayon ng law ng UP. And of
Mhm.
course, came from Pag-ibig, di ba? Ang ganda nun. And of course, nandyan din si Alex Cabrera, the ex-chairman ng PwC, kasi alam din niya, maraming mga investors na alam nila kung ano yung mga rules and regulation, mga ganon. So we have
Mhm.
so many good talagang judges, ganon din ng IBPAP. Di ba? Yung president na si Jack Madrid. Kasi
Yeah.
silang mga BPO industry dito sa Pilipinas and also in the world. So they are very familiar on the updates and the organizations happening across the industry dito sa Pilipinas. That's
Mhm.
why they're good judges.
Thank you. Rebecca, before I ask my question, later yung anong advice yung maibibigay mo sa mga wannabe like you na successful in life at the same time humble enough to give back. Gusto ko munang malaman, what can we expect in the next maybe 3 or 5 years with the HSC Awards kapag nagkaroon tayo ng 20th version ito?
The next goal talaga ng Asia's Awards to go outside Philippines.
Okay.
That's why the title is Asia CEO Awards. Imagine kung ma-open natin sa Vietnam, Indonesia,
Hmm.
Cambodia, Singapore, Malaysia. Like in each country, mag-i-start sila ng Asia CEO Malaysia, Asia CEO Awards Cambodia, Asia
Wow.
CEO Awards Vietnam, tayo, Asia CEO Awards Thailand, mga ganun. Tapos lahat ng mga nanalo, magkukumpit ngayon, lahat ng winners. That would be so nice if someone can continue. Dahil syempre, Dave, hindi naman na kami bata. But the vision is still
Ayan.
there. So we
Mhm,
would love
mhm.
someone who can continue that. And of
Wow.
course, as you know, pati yung museum. Kasi meron na
Mm-mm.
nga tayong land. Now is really more on how to start to build the building. So yun ang dami pa natin kailangan gawin. Like, my God, life is too short. Honestly, so many things to do pa.
Galing, thank you. Rebecca, for those listening and watching na gustong sundan yung mga yapak ninyo ni Richard, anong pwede nilang gawin? Halimbawa, sila ay nag-aaral pa lang ngayon as children or di kaya mga young professionals that want to create an impact in our country.
Yeah. Yung mga estudyante, guys, napakaswerte ninyo kasi it's an opportunity for you to really develop kung sino talaga kayo, kung ano yung purpose ng Panginoon, ba't kayo pinanganak dito. Kaya mag-aral kayo mabuti and expand that mind. Go online. Alam nyo, instead na pumunta kayo Barkada or Facebook, kundi pumunta kayo and learn as much as you can sa YouTube. Pag-aralan nyo yung mga information kasi ang dami nyo mapag-aaralan doon. I want you to dream big, to become like Elon Musk. Di ba, mga ganon? Don't be just too small, but be a big. Don't be like a pond, but be an ocean. Kasi pwede. As long as napaka-importante mga bata kung ano yung ilalagay nating impormasyon sa utak natin, tapos gamitin nyo ngayon, i-action nyo. Kasi kahit napakatalino natin, kung hindi natin gagawin ang trabaho, walang pagbabago. Pero kayo talaga ang gagawa doon. Yung ginagawa namin ngayon, inuumpisahan lang namin, pero kayo ang magpapatuloy. Kasi pag pinatuloy nyo, imagine ko anong mangyayari ng bansa natin. So yun ang best advice ko sa mga kabataan, especially mga estudyante, be the best of who you are. Kasi pinanganak kayo ng Panginoon sa mundong ito kasi nga merong meaning nun. Pero kayo ang gagawa doon. Especially you have to be thankful and blessed na kahit mahirap tayo kasi dinala kayo ng Diyos doon kasi may ibig sabihin yun. Pero pag-aralan nyo kung ano yon. Kasi yun ang ginawa ko noon. Napakahirap namin. Ngayon, di ba, tag-ulan? Sinasabi ko nga, ang bahay namin putik lang. Pag umuulan na ganyan, puro putik yan. Kasi walang simyento. Magluluto kami, maghahanap ka ng yung kahoy. Hindi kami makaluto dahil yung hangin, ang lakas-lakas, di ba? Maghanap kami ngayon ng lata para masaraduhan, para lang makaluto kami sa kalan. Things like that. But imagine the outcome because I put the great things in my brain, the action, na kahit mahirap, hindi nagrereklamo, but ginagawa. Yun ang sikreto ng really buhay. I cannot say that's a successful kasi I don't consider myself successful, even people saying yes, kasi hindi ko alam eh. Basta ginagawa ko lang talaga kung anong dapat, kung anong nararapat para at least yung pagbabago para sa pagmamahal sa bansa at sa mga pamilya. Basically, yun yun. Now, your another question is sa mga entrepreneur na mga bata. Yung mga entrepreneur to run a business, of course, ang daming challenges. Ang mahalaga is why. Kung alam nyo yung why, bakit nyo in-start yung negosyo na yan, alam nyo ba yung outcome, darating na lang. Yung mga kailangan gawin, dumarating na lang, magugulat kayo. Kasi kami, nung nag-start kami ng negosyo ng Asia CO at saka yung Asia CO why. The why is making Philippines first world. Yung short term nun is making Philippines a business hub in Asia. Yung Shellray Associates naman yung executive search more on to really create jobs sa mga CEOs para naman yung mga Pilipino hindi lang pumunta sa abroad na OFW or domestic helper but more as an expat Filipinos. Yun ang why namin. Ngayon, dumating na lang kung para ma-achieve yung mga target na yon or yung goals na yon is with that vision. Basta't mahalaga kayong mga entrepreneurship na mga nag-uumpisa pa lang, very specific kayo sa why. Darating na lang yung how and what and how. Madali na yun. Why is the key.
Ayan naman, ano. So, Rebecca, tama yung sinabi ko kanina. You're really influential and inspirational. Maraming salamat for your time. Friends, sa mga gustong mag-join sa HSC Awards, the deadline of submission of entries is on August 15, midnight. Join that. And then meron silang iba't ibang mga forums. They call the Asia CEO Forum. Just follow their Facebook. And thank you, Rebecca. Salamat po sa panonood. I'm David. God bless you.
Thank you.